Hello everyone, welcome to True Review. Today we have something really interesting to unbox, the IKEA BOLLSIDAN Laptop Stand. This is not just a regular laptop stand, it's actually a height adjustable table that you can use while sitting, standing, on the sofa or even beside your bed. So let's unbox it, assemble it and see whether it's actually worth the money. So let's get started. So this is the box in which the laptop stand delivered to us. We ordered it from IKEA online store. Alright, let's open the box. First impressions, the packaging is fairly straightforward, which is pretty typical for IKEA. Let's see what's inside. And here's the Bolsidan. We have got the main tabletop section along with the supporting and adjustment components. Everything looks nicely packed and protected. Let's take everything out and have a quick look before we put it together. The first thing I notice is the clean white finish. It has that simple minimalist IKEA look. So it should blend in nicely with most deck setups. So this is the instruction manual where the steps are given how to assemble it. So one by one we are following these steps and doing the assembly. Now it's time to put it together. IKEA assembly is generally straightforward, requiring careful attention to image guides, proper tool uses, and a clear, flat workspace. We are going to follow the instructions step by step and get this assembled. And that's it, the ball sedan is ready. And this is what it looks like fully assembled. Honestly, I really like the clean design. If I'm talking about the first look and build quality, let's take a closer look. The tabletop is considerably larger than a typical laptop stand. It looks like that gives you enough room for laptop and potentially a mouse and some other accessories. The white finish looks clean and modern. The surface also feels fairly solid. Now, this is not heavy duty workstation, so I would not treat it like one. But for normal laptop use, it feels practical and well suited to its purpose. One of the main reasons I was interested in this stand is the adjustability. Let's see how easy it is to change the position, and you can move it to find the position that works best for you. This is particularly useful if you are working from a sofa, bed, or another location where you don't have a traditional desk. So, after unboxing and testing the Bolsidan laptop stand, here are my pros and cons. Firstly, we are talking about pros. First, the minimalist design. I like it most, and surface gives you plenty of usable space. Third, the adjustable design makes it more versatile than a basic laptop riser. And finally, it can work in different locations around the office, home. It's still not a replacement for a proper desk. If you are planning to use a very heavy setup, you will want something more substantial. And because this is a white surface, you probably need to keep it clean if you use it regularly. So, after unboxing and spending some time with the IKEA Bolsidan laptop stand, what's my verdict? I think it's an interesting option if you are looking for a flexible laptop workspace rather than just a laptop riser. The larger surface, adjustable design, and minimalist appearance make it useful for different situations, especially if you sometimes work away from your main desk. It's not designed to be a professional workstation, but that's not really what it is trying to be. For everyday laptop use, I think it makes a lot of sense. Overall, I am happy with what IKEA has done here, but now I want to hear from you. Would you use the Bolsidan as a laptop stand, a sofa workstation, or something else? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions or queries about the IKEA laptop stand, feel free to ask in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and take care.